Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about is it possible to play Roblox on Nintendo Switch? Roblox is still unavailable on the Nintendo eShop, but there's a browser workaround that lets you access Roblox features directly from your console. First, open System Settings on your Nintendo Switch. Scroll down to Internet, then select Internet Settings. Choose your connected Wi-Fi network and press Change Settings. Scroll until you find DNS settings, switch it from automatic to manual, then enter 045.055.142.122 as the primary DNS. Press Save and reconnect to the network. The connection should fail, and a browser option will appear. Open it, go to Google, search Roblox, then sign into your account. From there, you can browse games, manage your profile, and test supported experiences. This method works smoother on Switch 2 because of stronger hardware and faster performance. Keep in mind, not every Roblox game works perfectly, and controls can feel limited compared to mobile or PC. When you finish, switch DNS back to automatic so online services and the eShop work normally again. And that's it for today's video. If this helps you out, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.